Hey everyone, Jason here. So in the last video, we powered up the PCBs and confirmed that the power is being converted correctly. In this video, I'm going to show you the completed boxes and talk a little bit about the next steps. So here are the completed boxes. Just do a quick scan around here. So a couple of things, I've added in all the ports. I've also added in 2 fans into each box to keep air circulating to make sure that they don't overheat. So all these ports, or most of these ports on the side, are just standard barrel ports. 2 wires. I chose those because they're readily available, pretty inexpensive, and really easy to install. On a couple of them I had to go a little bit more robust. So this is actually a 3-pin connector. It includes an extra wire for a PWM signal. And on this side, this is going to be where all my signal wires come in. So this is actually an 8-pin connector that goes on the inside here. You can see all the wires coming in. So those will be all my signal wires coming in that my microcontroller will be interpreting and sending out for data storage and analysis. So other than that, it's pretty straightforward inside. You can kind of see how everything is connected. The fans are running. I was able to get the boards operational, confirmed that they are working. Also on the back here I have a Wi-Fi antenna hooked up to help with the connection because the boxes are going to be in the garage, so I'll need a little bit more of a strong signal going out to make sure I stay connected to the Wi-Fi. I was able to do some initial software. I'll cover most of that in the next video, but I was able to get this thing connected to my local Wi-Fi, and I built out a pretty nice dashboard as well that's going to do the controlling and data logging, but I'll cover more of that in the next video. This is the high voltage box. It's not powered right now. I'm still working through some things on it, but it's overall similar setup. Got the fans on there, and then I've got these bulkhead, just standard 120 volt adapters or bulkhead connectors on there. A couple of barrel ports to communicate with the low voltage board. And then other than that, it's pretty straightforward. I don't have it fully hooked up because I'm still working through some things on the board, trying to get it to function fully. So you'll see the completed thing in the next video likely, but that's it for this really. And so now the next steps is I've got the dashboard going, so we'll cover that. I'm also going to work on controlling the high voltage box with the low voltage box, so sending out the signals from the 2 ports there to this box, and that's going to be what actually activates the high voltage circuits, turning them on and off. So in that way I can control everything with the low voltage box. This box controls the circuits and it collects information on the high voltage circuits as well, but I'll cover more of that in future videos. So anyway, that's it for this video. Next video we'll be talking more about the software and showing you the dashboard and how I'm going to control and collect data. So I'll see you in the next one.